welcome to Sushi's Mini World. Today we're going to do a fun craft. And do you know what it is? It's a miniature beach. My family and I always go on a beach vacation every year. But this year we couldn't go because of coronavirus. I hope this project will make up for the loss of our beach vacation. Now let's get started.
The things that we need is a decorative bow. It can either be glass, ceramic, wooden, or anything fancy that you have at your house. Regular sand, colored sand, and also different types of pebbles and rocks. And some miniature beach decorations. Finally, some plants and moss. The first step is to fill half of the decorative bowl with potting soil. You have to do this step if you are using real plants. You can skip this step if you are using fake plants. Here's a tip. Fake plants can be directly planted into the beach sand. Now I'm going to plant my miniature palm tree that I bought from a plant nursery. This cluster of palm trees remind me of the Florida beaches. Next, I am going to add beach sand on top of the potting soil. I am only filling a part of the bowl with sand. Now I'm going to fill the other part of the bowl with some blue sand to create the beautiful ocean. I already hear the sound of the waves. Don't you? Now I'm going to create a shoreline for this beach using small stones and some rocks. Now I'm going to add some miniature beach accessories to brighten up the beach scene.
This looks so beautiful! I can't wait to show my family members this beautiful miniature beach. I just know that this will make up for my trip to the beach. Now, let's go show it to them. But before I go show it to them, I want to make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. Bye guys, and see you next time!